Hello and welcome to another Stellarian Games video. In this episode, we're going to be continuing our DM box series where we're filling up a box full of goodies for a new Dungeon Master. In this episode, we're going to be covering treasure piles, kind of a neat add-on to any adventure, because most certainly you're going to find treasure somewhere around in your adventure. So I'm starting to run out of room in the box, so the next video or two might be the end of the series. I'll have to kind of see where time is leaving me as well as ambition. But in this one, I could fit in these treasure piles into one of the little containers that I already had. So that's what we're going to cover. So let's go to the table and see how this is done. This is a relatively simple craft, so I had my son help me with some of the elements. He's just drawing out some kind of blob shapes out on chipboard, and we're going to use a scissors to cut those out. We decided to go with 3 varying sizes, one kind of larger pile and 2 smaller piles. We're folding up and crumpling up some tinfoil and putting it on each of these and hot gluing it to those chipboard elements. The chipboard is just going to be the base for these treasure piles. Now we're just coating them in some white PVA glue and sprinkling on gold and silver glitter. Make sure you get the glitter that is round, circular in shape, not the square glitter. Now I'm taking various beads and bead caps, things like that, to add to the treasure piles to make it look like bowls and gems and various items, so that it's not just a pile of gold. I took a spare miniature axe and painted that up as well, just giving it a dry brush of metal, some leather for the handle, some brass for the handles, and some of the flourishing up on top. Once that's dry, just used a little bit of white glue and attach that axe right to the edge as if it's piled on that treasure pile. And the last step is just adding a black wash to it so that it gets into the recesses of all the coins and brings a little depth to the piece. Here's the final result. This is pretty quick and easy, but it makes a fun, neat element that your players will love to see in a room and really be eager to try to obtain. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.